Many of you showed up in the comments, some telling me how to do it, even though like I knew that was gonna happen as well. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 8 of June 2018 Box Week. So real quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every month, me and my YouTube subscribers, we spend 7 days together. You're actually catching us on day 8, so we're having some bonus days this month, although I'm acting like it's special, but really we've been having that like for the last couple months because we've been getting more boxes, and basically we open up all my subscription boxes. We hang out every single day. It's a lot of fun, so if you want to join the Justlikedrew crew, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so tonight the box we're opening is a box that is really a solid box on my channel. It's a box that we like a lot here in my YouTube family, and tonight we are going to be unboxing the Target Beauty June box. So Target Beauty started, oh geez, it's probably been a year or at least now they've been having a beauty box. Their subscription box is a little different than normal. You can't sign up for it and have it sent to you monthly. It's a box that you can only receive on a first come first serve basis. So basically like they'll release it, they usually release it at the very end, sort of beginning of the following month that the box is going out for, and then it usually sells out within a day or so. Like they go really, really fast. So the boxes usually range around $7, sometimes they're more, and most times you get free shipping with them as well. I'm going to be opening the women's box tonight. There was also a men's box as well. You can probably find pictures of that online if that's something you're interested in seeing. They don't usually do a men's box, but they did do one this month because of Father's Day. So yeah. And we are going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is really, really full. So this is our stockpile giveaway right here. I'm trying to tip it without dumping anything out. And basically, it is a box that we've been filling up with items I get from my subscription boxes. This is the third box that we're actually filling up. It's our third time doing it. And basically all it is once it's full, I'm going to give it away on my YouTube channel. That's it. So if you're like, how would I win that? Just be subscribed to my channel. At the end of this month's box week, I will post a video within a couple days of ending box week letting you know how to win it. And that's seriously it. Okay, so I am going to open up this box and see what we have in here today. Target Beauty actually has a really nice box because yes, it's products that you get from Target. So they're not always like, I guess what you would maybe call prestige brands, but at the same time, they're really, really nice products to try. And the awesome thing is they are like more attainable and more affordable, if that makes sense. Okay, so on the very top it says Hello Fresh Face, and they always tell you on the back about all the items, as well as they always give you a $3 off coupon that you can use like online or in store for off of $15 on beauty or hair care. This month the tissue paper is like a nice orange tone. All right, so I'm opening this up here to see what we got in our box. All right, so the first thing that we have in here is Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara from Neutrogena. Okay, so this is a Neutrogena mascara. It's full size. So first of all, like I said, the box is $7, and I know for a fact that Neutrogena products, like I use their eyeliners. Actually, I like Neutrogena's like black eyeliner. They're usually around $9 each. So this is probably at least like $7 or more on its own, and the box was $7 period, and we got a full size mascara. I'm actually gonna keep this because I do like trying Neutrogena products. I have like discovered that they are actually really, really nice quality for being more of like a drugstore brand. So I'm going to keep that and try that for myself. All right, the next item that we have is, I can't get it out of here. All right, looks like we have Eyelure Accents, some false eyelashes. These are going directly into the giveaway box. I went on a rant like a week ago about how I do not wear false eyelashes, not because I don't think they're pretty, but because I can't do it. Many of you showed up in the comments, some telling me how to do it, even though like I knew that was gonna happen, as well as many of you telling me that you also struggle with putting on false eyelashes. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box. I'm gonna let these go to a better home. I'm not gonna try and use them and destroy them, which is what always happens. I end up destroying my makeup as well as the eyelashes. So you're just gonna go in the giveaway box and we're gonna move on with our lives. It's that simple. All right, the next item that we have is, all right, Good Chemistry Queen Bee. All right, it is a perfume slash like essential oil. All right, let's try and open this up and see here. It's kind of a weird like little thing. So like comes with like a little card, and it's like a thing like I take top off. So I'm guessing it's an oil. I don't know. I don't want to get on my hands. I might not like the way it smells. Ooh, it's kind of strong, and it did get on my hands. So that's where we're at now. It definitely has like a strong like blackberry smell to it. It says it's black currant, or I say blackberry. It says black currant, peony, and amber. It's definitely a more intense like fruity scent, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's almost a little bit too much, but okay, that's where we're at now. All right, next item that we have is Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. All right, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. I actually have like on my dresser right now, like almost like a full bottle of this exact product. I've told you guys before how much I love micellar water. It's really great to actually use on your skin, especially if you are somebody who like you always want to use something like a toner, but toners can be a little bit too abrasive. Micellar water is really nice because what it does is it removes all the excess makeup, and it does help rebalance your skin like a toner would, but it's a lot more gentle. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well because I already have like a bottle of this of my own. All right, and oh, it came also with some little cotton round pads, so that's gonna go with it too, so you can use the little cotton rounds with the micellar water. Perfect. All right, the next item that we have is Optic White from Colgate. So they gave like a really good size, not a full size, but like mostly full size Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I'm gonna keep this. I always love whitening toothpaste. I feel like I can never have enough whitening toothpaste. I'm gonna keep that as well. And it looks like the last thing we have in here is a lipstick called Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. I can't really tell what brand this is though. Oh, you know what, Major Matte I bet is actually the brand. Hello. And it's in the shade Daydreamer 436. It's a really like pretty nude tone. I think I'm gonna keep this too because I'm actually all about like these kind of lip colors recently. I told you guys like this is kind of like my shade right now, or like these nude pinky weird colors, and I definitely like that. Okay, so that's actually everything that was in this box. So quickly to recap, we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara, the Eyelure Accents Eyelashes, which are going into the giveaway box because I just can't, the Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade Daydreamer, which is right there. I really liked the shade of that. The Colgate Optic White Express Toothpaste. We got the sample of the Garnier Micellar Water with the cotton rounds, as well as like this weird like perfume. Okay, so it's a perfume with essential oils. So it is perfume, but it's got essential oils in it. So I'm guessing the whole point is like you wear it and then you like feel better. If you like, I'm sorry, like, you know what I mean? Like, though, like it's like therapeutic fragrance. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna put this over. Oh shoot, I'm dropping stuff. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm gonna put these things in the giveaway box here. I'm gonna try and grab the box without seriously like having it break and bow like crazy. As you can see, it's full, and we still have to like have one more day of putting stuff in there, but so the box will be going out very shortly. So that's all I have for the unboxing portion of this video. So the next thing that I'm gonna like share with you guys is kind of more specific to the Just Like Drew family. So this is kind of hard for me to say, but so a lot of you know, like I've been doing YouTube for over 2 years. I have made friendships with many of you. I talk to some of you, you know, one-on-one, on a decently regular basis. And you know, when I say that like I consider you guys friends and family, I really mean that. Some of you, like we talk like every single month on Box Week. It means so much to me that you guys show up for me and that I get to have you in my life and have that experience. So one of our YouTube family members, her name is Desiree. I've known her probably for just almost I think it's almost 2 years now, if not 2 years or longer. She and we talk here and there on the Just Like Drew Facebook page. And she informed me last night about her grandma Frances, who she watches every month Box Week with, and her grandma loves makeup and beauty products. She would love to doll up her grandma all the time. She showed me a picture of her grandma, beautiful woman, and they would watch Box Week together. Her grandma's favorite was Ipsy, which is like a favorite on our channel, so it's like I know already that like her grandma was amazing and wonderful just based off things she told me. Last night her grandmother passed away, and she just told me how much her grandma loved, you know, hanging out with us on Box Week and all of that. And I wanted to say something and just say that, you know, first of all, I'm so sorry for, you know, your loss, Desiree, and your family, but your family's loss. But at the same time, sharing stories like that with me, just like seriously, they touch my heart. You know, so I really consider you guys, you know, friends and family of mine, and I care about you guys so much. And so it is hard for me to hear that, you know, a member of our Just Like Drew family has passed away. But at the same time, it's amazing to me now knowing going forward when we're doing unboxings and we're doing things like Ipsy, that, you know, that we've got somebody watching us in heaven, watching along with us, and, you know, having fun with us. Desiree told me that her grandma, she loved lipstick, and her favorite lipstick colors to wear were pink and red. So I'm wearing pink lipstick today in her honor. And so I just want to tell you guys that I love you and I care about you, and this video is for Grandma Frances, and I just hope that you guys, you know, have an amazing weekend, and I thank you. I thank you so much for always showing up for me and showing me love and caring about me, and just, you'll never know how much you mean to me, and I mean that really. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew. Have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I will see you very, very soon for our next video. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Gosh, you guys, Sol Janeiro. We got this month already. I believe in the BoxyCharm box. This is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I kept it when I got the BoxyCharm box, so I'm automatically going to put this in the giveaway.